Now coming to the next question, that is the last question of our series. Here is equation of curve is given to you as y square is equal to ax cube plus b, and it says that y is equal to 4x minus 5 touches the curve. Touches means it is a tangent, और जब tangent का बात आता है तो you require slope. तो I will differentiate this with respect to x. So you will get here y square becoming 2y dy by dx is equal to x cube becomes 3x square. So this will become 3ax square, and b being constant becomes 0. So you get here dy by dx is equal to 3ax square upon 2y. But you see it is very clearly mentioned that it is the tangent at point 2, 3. The line is tangent at point 2, 3, and this is the slope of tangent. So I would be interested to find the slope of tangent at point 2, 3. So I will get this as 3a into 2 square upon 2 into 3. So which becomes here 4 3s are 12, 3 cancels, 1 2 cancels. So I remain here with 1 2, which is nothing but 2a. So equation of tangent at point already told as 2, 3 is so called as y is equal to 4x minus 5. So you can see that it is already in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore slope of tangent at the point 2, 3 is 4. So indicating very clearly that this 2a will be equal to this, that is 2a will be equal to 4. So I get a is equal to 2. Now the line touches the curve at point 2, 3. So obviously 2, 3 lies on the line as well as the curve. So therefore 2, 3 satisfies the curve, and if satisfies the curve, so you will get this as y square it is, which will become 3 square is equal to a into x cube, that means 2 cube plus b. So therefore 9 is equal to a into 8 plus b. So your a becomes 2 into 8 plus b. So finally we get b is equal to minus 7 and your a is equal to 2, which we are expected to find out. So right now we have completed the problems which are based on tangents and normal. That is the first part of application of derivative. We will continue further. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.